In this video, we will walk you through how to add travel and expense approval policies in Peakflo. Approval workflows are for your team to automate the whole approval process. To streamline your approvals, set up as many approval levels as needed, from team members to any C-levels and department heads. Easily create approval levels based on expense reports and travel request amounts. Log in as admin and select settings from the navigation bar. Then click on Approval Policies under General Settings. Click on the Add New button at the top right. A pop-up will appear. Add a name to the policy. If you want the policy to be the default policy for travel request or expense report, check the adjacent box. Specify the amount that would go through the approval process. For example, you set a specific amount, such as $500, where any travel request or expense report exceeding this limit will require approval from the designated approvers. You can add multiple levels of approvals and multiple approvers at each level. You can set and/or logic within each approval level. If you choose and, then all approvers within the level must give their approval. This means that for a request to proceed to the next level of approval, every approver assigned to that specific level must provide their approval. If you choose or, any one of the approvers within the level can approve the request. This means that as soon as one approver gives their approval, the request can move forward to the next level without waiting for all approvers to respond. To add another approval level, click on the Add Another Level button. Admins can effortlessly add the managers as approvers by clicking on the Approval Level drop-down and selecting Employees Direct Manager. You can also add approval rules in the approval levels. The policy can be divided into multiple directions based on the approval matrix of your organization and attributes travel and expense objects. By adding multiple approval rules to an approval level, the approval policy will automatically branch off to route to the right approver. How to edit an approval policy. Simply open the approval policy and click on the Edit button. Make necessary changes and then click on Save. How to remove an approval policy. Open the approval policy scroll to the end of the approval policy window. Click on Delete and confirm deleting the approval policy. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.